Everyone, आज एक शानदार शानदार competition है and we'll see in the first round we'll see who is the best translator in our batch. Okay, I will be asking you sentences based on all the things that we have learned so far in the class, and you guys have to speak confidently because I know that you are the student of Persona. You got it? Yes, sir. And I know that the students of Persona do not hesitate. They speak confidently, they translate confidently, and they put their 100% efforts. Am I right or wrong? Yes, sir. So are you ready to speak? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. Okay, let's have a competition. So everyone, we have Rishika and she claims that she can translate any sentence confidently. Rishika, first we want to know in which class do you study?
Sir, I am in 8th class.
You are in 8th class?
Yes, sir.
And in which school do you study?
I study in Ben's Public School.
So these days you are enjoying your summer camp in Persona?
Yeah, I am really enjoying these days.
Okay, wow, that's great. And what about your academic? Are you good at your school?
Yes, sir, I am topper in my school.
Yes, I know because you are the student of Persona.
Yes, sir.
And Persona के students जहाँ भी जाते हैं topper ही बनते हैं भाई.
Yes,
चलो,
sir.
Let's see how she's going to speak. And last year you attended the summer camp.
Yes, sir.
And you were the fastest translator that
Yes,
time.
sir.
And today once again we are talking to you and we'll see how you translate it. मेरा नाम ऋषिका पटेल और मैं खंडवा से हूँ.
My name is Rishika Patel and I am from Khandwa.
मैं 8th क्लास की स्टूडेंट हूँ.
I am a student of 8th class.
मुझे इंग्लिश आती है.
I know English.
आपने क्या देखा?
What did you
आपने
see?
क्या बोला?
What did you
आप क्या
speak?
बोल पाओगी?
What will you be able to speak?
मैं सब कुछ बोल पाऊंगी.
I will be able to speak everything.
आपको सब कुछ बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak
आपको
everything.
यहाँ आना चाहिए.
You should come
आपको
here.
यहाँ आना पड़ेगा.
You will have to come
आप क्या
here.
चाहती हो?
What do you want?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you
आपने
speak?
कैसे बोला?
How did you
क्या आपने
speak?
सुना?
Did you listen?
Did you listen? That's great. इस क्लास में 100 स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हुए हैं.
There are 100 students who is sitting in this class.
Okay, you can say that 100 students are sitting in this class. और इस क्लास में 100 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Then you would say there are 100 students in this class.
Yes, sir.
क्या आप सारे स्टूडेंट्स को काउंट कर चुके हो?
Have you counted all the students?
हाँ सर, मैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स को 2 बार काउंट कर चुकी हूँ.
Yes, sir. I have counted all the students 2 times.
आप कहाँ हो अभी?
Where are you
आप
now?
क्या चाहती हो?
What do you want?
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती
I
हूँ.
want to learn English.
आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ेगी.
You will have to learn English.
आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखेंगे?
How will you learn English?
आप इस काम को कैसे करेंगी?
How will you do this work?
क्या आप इस काम को कर पाएंगी?
Will you be able to do this work?
Will you be able to do this work? Okay, हमें बोलना चाहिए.
We should speak.
हमें बोलना पड़ेगा.
We will have to speak.
आप कहाँ थी?
Where were you?
आप क्या चाहती?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं चाहती.
I want nothing.
I want nothing. मेरे पास सब कुछ है.
I have everything.
क्या यह पेन आपका है जो मेरे पास है?
Is this your pen which I have?
सर, जो पेन आपके पास है वो मेरे भाई का है और जो पेन मेरे पास है वो मेरी बहन का है.
Sir, which pen you have is my brother's pen and which pen I have is my sister's pen.
Sir, the pen which you have is my brother's pen and the pen which I have is my sister's pen. आपकी सिस्टर कहाँ है?
Where is your sister?
सर, मेरी सिस्टर 2 दिन से बीमार है इसलिए वो कोचिंग नहीं आ रही है. My sister has been ill. My sister has been sick for 2 days. That's why she's not coming to coaching. उसे कहो कि उसे रोज कोचिंग आना चाहिए.
Tell her that she should come coaching daily.
Daily. Okay, वह 2 दिन से absent है.
She has been absent from 2 days.
Okay, वह घर पर नहीं है.
She is not at home.
वो घर से बाहर है.
She is out from home.
वह 2 दिन से घर से बाहर है.
She has been out from home.
She has been out of home for 2 days.
2 days.
Okay, मैं स्कूल में हूँ.
I am in school.
मैं घर पर हूँ.
I am at home.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
आपने क्या देखा?
What did you see?
क्या आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो?
Can you do everything?
Can do. Okay, आपको बोलने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
You should try to speak.
Okay, मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता.
I don't want to speak.
मैं पढ़ाई करना चाहता
I
हूँ.
want to do study.
Okay, Rishika, you are having short hair like a boy.
Yes,
you know
sir.
what? So some people they get confused that whether
Yes,
you are a
sir.
girl or boy.
Yes, sir.
You know, so why do you have the short hair? Is there any reason behind it?
So there's no reason, but I like this kind of styles, living this kind of styles, and
Okay.
even I would like to say that I don't have any brother, and my father says to me, "You are my son."
Okay,
That's I
wow,
proud
that's-
that thing.
So your father treat you as a son.
Yeah,
वो बोल देना मेरी छोरी क्या छोरों से
come here.
काम है क्या. That's great. That's great. Clapping for her. Wow. बहुत अच्छी. बैठिए. Be seated. Be seated. Yes. Yeah. First tell me your name.
Sir, my name is Vasudev Gujar.
Vasudev Gujar. Vasudev, how many days you have completed in Persona?
I have completed my 3 months in
3 months in Persona. Are you enjoying your summer camp?
Yes, sir. I finally enjoy my.
Okay. You are improving yourself.
Yes, sir. I improved.
You are from Hindi medium or from English medium?
Sir, I am from Hindi medium.
You are from Hindi medium. Okay. Wow. Yes. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Rajaram Rathod.
Rajaram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are from Hindi medium, from English medium?
Yes, sir. I am from Hindi medium.
Okay. In which class do you study?
Sir, I study in 12th class. Now
This
I have.
year you have been promoted in 12th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's your stream in 12th?
Sir, my stream is PCM.
PCM.
Science.
Okay. Chalo, that's great. Pass the mic. Yes, Bachi. What's your name?
My name is Shreni Patel.
Shreni Patel.
Yes, sir.
Wow, Shreni, we want to know, I think these students, they are senior and you are looking only junior over here. In which class do you study?
I study in 8th class.
In 8th class you study, and you know they are in 12th class. And now pass the mic. Yes, your name?
My name is Tanisha Patel.
Tanisha. In which class do you study, Tanisha?
Sir, I have completed my 12th class in last year.
Last year you did your 12th. Okay, that's great. And now pass the mic. Yes, Ruchi. We know
sir.
your name. Ruchi, in which class do you study?
So recently I have been promoted in 11th.
In 11th you have been promoted, and in 10th how many percentage have you got?
Unfortunately 88%.
Unfortunately, why?
Because during my exams I was ill. I was not in a position that I could study properly, so that
No. Still you got 88 marks, na? 88 is very appreciating
I mean,
marks.
I'm not
You know what?
satisfied with it.
No, you girls can never be satisfied. You know what? A girl can never be satisfied with her marks. Even after having 99 percentage, she can cry. Why? 100 क्यों नहीं आए? You got it?
Yes sir.
So ये तो होता ही है. Be happy with the percentage that you have. 88 is a great percentage. Now in 12th you can have better percentage.
Yes,
you
sir.
know? So everyone, we have 5 extraordinary students from Hindi medium. You are also from Hindi medium,
Yes, sir,
right?
I'm from Hindi.
So these students are from Hindi medium, and we'll see how they translate and going to speak confidently today. So are you ready to speak?
Yes sir.
Can we have a competition?
Yes sir.
Our audience will judge that who is the best translator. So first we start from Ruchi.
Yes,
Ruchi,
sir.
you have only 1 minute to speak.
Okay.
Okay, मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ.
I'm not ready.
मुझे 10 मिनट और लगेंगे तैयार होने में.
I will take 10 minutes more for being ready.
Okay, मुझे जाने दो.
Let me
आप
go.
कहाँ जाना चाहते हो?
Where do you want to
क्या
go?
आप परसोना के रेगुलर स्टूडेंट हो?
Are you the regular student of Persona?
क्या आप यहाँ आना चाहोगी?
Would you like
क्या
to
आप
come
यहाँ
here?
आ सकते हो?
Can you come here?
क्या आप मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
क्या आप उस लड़के को जानते हो जो वहाँ बैठा हुआ
Do
है?
you know the boy who is sitting there?
सर मैं उस लड़के को नहीं
Sir,
जानता.
I don't know the boy.
मैं उस लड़की को जानता हूँ जो रीना के साथ बैठी हुई है.
I don't know the. I
मैं
know.
उस लड़की को जानता
I
हूँ
know
जो
the-
रीना के साथ बैठी हुई है.
I know the girl who is sitting with Reena.
क्या आप रीना को जानते हो?
Do you know Reena?
कौन है?
Who is Reena?
कहाँ रहती है?
Where does she live?
Where does she live? वो क्या करती है?
What does she do?
मुझे नहीं पता वो क्या
I don't
करती
know what does she do.
है. I don't know what she does.
What she does.
Okay, आपको पता होना चाहिए वो क्या करती है क्योंकि वो आपकी फ्रेंड है.
You should know what does she do because she is your friend.
You should know what she does because she's your friend.
Friend.
गलती से भी गलती मत करो.
Don't make mistake by mistake.
Okay, आप गलती कर रहे हो.
You are making mistake.
मुझे लगता है आप गलती नहीं कर रहे हो.
I think you are not making mistake.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा.
You will have to
आप
speak.
बोलना चाहते हो.
You
क्या आपने
want to
बोला?
speak? Did you
क्या आपने-
speak?
क्या आपने लिखा?
Did you
क्या
write?
सुन रहे हो?
Are
क्या
you
सुनने के
listening?
तैयार
Are
हो?
you ready to
क्या
listen?
सब कुछ आसान है.
Is everything easy?
हाँ मुझे लगता है सब कुछ आसान है.
Yes, I think everything is easy.
सब कुछ बोला जा सकता है.
Everything can be spoken.
सब कुछ बोला जाना चाहिए.
Everything should be spoken.
इंग्लिश बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken.
इंग्लिश बोली जा सकती है.
English can be
इंग्लिश
spoken.
बोली जा रही है.
English
इंग्लिश सुनी
is
जा
being
रही है.
speaking spoken.
इंग्लिश सुनी जा रही है.
English is being listened.
ओके, इंग्लिश बोले जाने की जरूरत है.
English need to be spoken.
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are
क्या
you?
Persona के regular
Are you the
student?
regular
क्या
student of
बोल सकते
Persona?
हो?
Can
क्या
you
बोलोगे?
speak?
क्या
Will
बोल
you
रहे हो? क्या
speak?
आपने
Are
बोला?
you speaking? Did you speak?
Did you speak? क्या आप तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Everyone, आपने रुचि को सुना? Yes. Okay, pass the mic. Yes, your name is?
Tanisha Patel.
Tanisha, are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
मेरा नाम तनिषा है.
My name is
मैं खंडवा
Tanisha.
से हूँ.
I'm from
मुझे
खंडवा.
सब कुछ आता है लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पाती हूँ सर, यही मेरी प्रॉब्लम
Sir,
है.
I know everything, but my problem is that I could not speak properly.
I'm unable to speak.
I'm
That's
unable-
my problem.
I'm
आप
unable to
बोलने की
speak.
कोशिश नहीं करती इसलिए आप बोल नहीं पाती.
You are not trying to speak. That's why you cannot speak.
You don't
could
try
not.
to speak. That's why you are unable to speak. बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
समझने की कोशिश करो.
Try to understand.
आपको समझना चाहिए.
You should try. You should
आपको
understand.
स्टेज पर आना चाहिए.
You should come on the
मैं
stage.
आऊंगा.
I will
मुझे
come.
आने दो.
Let
मुझे
me
बोलने
come.
दो.
Let me
क्या
speak.
बोलोगे?
Will you
क्या
speak?
तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
क्या आप जानते हो वो कहाँ जा रहा है?
Do you know where he is going?
Do you know where he is going? Do you know where he is going? मुझे नहीं पता सर वो कहाँ जा रहा है.
I don't know where he is going.
मुझे लगता है वो उसके घर जा रहा है.
I think he is going his home.
अगर आप पॉसिबिलिटी दिखा रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है शायद वो उसके घर जा रहा होगा.
Maybe he is going his home.
I think he may be going at his home.
I think he may be going at his home.
मुझे लगता है आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा.
I think you आ रहा
may be
होगा.
getting.
You may be getting.
You may be
Understand?
getting. शायद ही आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा.
You might be getting.
Okay, मुझे लगता है आप लेट हो रहे हो.
I think you are getting late.
I think you are getting late. शायद आप लेट हो रहे होंगे.
You are.
You may be.
You may be getting late.
You may be getting late. नहीं मेरे पास पर्याप्त समय है.
नहीं
नहीं.
Not I have enough time.
Not I have enough. No, I have enough time. Okay, मैं तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready.
मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार.
I'm ready to
मुझे
speak.
बोलना है.
I have to speak.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो?
Where do you want to go?
Okay, pass the mic. Yes, your name is
Shreni.
Shreni. Are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are the younger over here. You know, these are the senior students and you are just in 8th standard. But I know you are a better translator. Okay, मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है.
I have to learn English.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
आप पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो?
Where study?
आपने क्या देखा?
What did you see?
आप क्या देख सकते हो?
What can you see?
मैं नहीं बोल सकता.
I cannot speak.
मुझे बोलने की जरूरत है.
I need to speak.
मेरे पास बोलने के लिए समय नहीं है.
I have not.
I don't have time to speak.
आई डोंट हैव टाइम टू स्पीक. मेरे पास बोलने के लिए पर्याप्त समय है.
I have
आई हैव इनफ टाइम.
Enough time to
मैं बोलने की
speak.
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I'm trying to speak.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ.
I'm writing.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
I write.
लिख सकता हूँ.
I can
तुम्हें
write.
लिखना चाहिए.
You should
तुम्हें
write.
बोलना
You
चाहिए.
should
तुम
speak.
बोलोगे. तुम
You
बोल
are
सकते हो.
speaking.
क्या
You
तुम
can
बोल
speak.
सकते हो?
Can you speak?
कैन यू स्पीक? क्या यह आपका माइक है?
Is this your mic?
क्या यह आपका सेल फोन है?
Is this your cell
क्या आपके
phone?
पास कोई एक्स्ट्रा सेल फोन
Do
है?
you have an extra cell phone?
सर मेरे पास कोई एक्स्ट्रा सेल फोन नहीं है.
Sir, I don't have an extra cell phone.
How many days you have completed in Personas training?
3 months.
3 months you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you are enjoying your summer camp?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in which school do you study?
Jain Public School,
Jain Public School. Okay, is it in Khandwa or somewhere?
Ahmedpur.
In Ahmedpur, Kegaon it is. Okay, and what does your father do?
My father is farmer.
And your mother?
My mother is housewife.
Okay, between mummy and papa, whom do you love so much?
Both.
No, if you have to compare
Both.
both.
Yes.
Shreni is such a diplomatic replier. Wow, that's great. Clapping for her. Yes, buddy. Your
Yes, sir.
name?
My name is Rajaram Rathod.
Raja Ram.
Yes,
so we'll
sir.
call you Ram or Raja.
Sir, Raja.
Raja.
Also.
Okay, so Raja, we are going to ask you some sentences and you have to reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I have to study.
मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है.
I have to learn
मैं
English.
इंग्लिश सीखता हूँ.
I learn English.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी.
I will have to study.
आप पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो?
Why are you studying?
आपने पढ़ाई क्यों करी?
Why did you study?
Why did you study? क्या आप तैयार हो?
Are you
क्या
ready?
बोलते हो?
Do you speak?
क्या आपने बोला?
Did you speak?
आपने कैसे बोला?
How did you
आपने
speak?
क्यों बोला?
Why did you speak?
आप कैसे बोलोगे?
How will you speak?
आप यहाँ कैसे आओगे?
How will you come here?
ओके, आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go there?
क्या आप वहाँ जा सकते हो?
Can you go there?
ओके, क्या आप इस स्टेज पर आ सकते
Can
हो?
you come on the stage?
क्या आप इस स्टेज पर आना चाहते हो?
Do you want to come on the stage?
क्या आप बोल सकते हो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ?
Can you speak what I am speaking?
मैं नहीं बोल सकता.
I can't speak.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मुझे सोचने दो क्या करना है.
Let me think what I do.
Let me think what to do.
What to do?
जो आप सोचते हो आप कर सकते हो, जो आप नहीं सोचते हो वो भी आप कर सकते हो.
What you think you can do and whatever you don't think. You
What you think you can.
You can.
And what you
What
don't
you don't
think.
think.
Even you can. Even you can do.
you can do.
अगर आप कोशिश करो तो आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो.
If you try, so you can do everything.
You can do everything. Chale, that's great, dear Raja. Yeah. So
sir.
Vasudev, let me know something first. That are you excited to speak?
Yes, sir. I excited to speak.
Wow. Do you think that now you are speaking before camera and these students are sitting over here, they are listening you?
Yes,
so
sir.
are you getting fear?
No, sir. I little.
Little bit.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Little.
Are you confident to speak?
Yes, sir. I confident.
Say yes, I am confident.
Yes,
to
I
speak.
am confident to speak.
एक बार loudly बोलो.
Yes, I am confident to speak.
Really?
Yes, sir. Really.
Okay. मैं तैयार हूँ.
I am ready.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोलूँगा.
I will
मुझे
speak.
बोलने दो.
Let me
मैं
speak.
जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
Where are you? मैं घर जा रहा हूँ.
I am going at my home.
I'm going at my home. आप अपने घर क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going your home?
Okay. आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे हो?
Why are you learning
आप
English?
इंग्लिश कैसे सीखोगे?
How will you learn English?
आप इस काम को क्यों करोगे?
Why will you do this work?
Okay. आप इस काम को 2 दिन में कैसे कर सकते हो?
How can you do this work within 2 days?
Okay. बोलो जो आपको पता है.
Speak what you want, what you know.
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
I know nothing.
I don't know anything.
I don't know anything.
मुझे सब कुछ पता है.
I know everything.
मेरे पास बोलने के लिए शब्द नहीं है.
I don't know. I don't have any words to speak.
मैं सब कुछ बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak everything.
मैं सब कुछ कर सकता
I
हूँ.
can do everything.
क्या आप मेरी मदद करोगे?
Will you help me?
क्या आप इस काम में मेरी मदद करोगे?
Will you help me in this work?
Will you help me in this work? क्या आप वहाँ जाओगे?
Will you go there?
क्या वहाँ जा सकते हो?
Can you go there?
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
Okay. आप इस काम को कैसे करोगे?
How will you do this work?
आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go there?
क्या आप तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
क्या बोलने के लिए
Are
तैयार
you
हो?
ready to speak?
क्या आप कॉलेज जाने के लिए
Are
तैयार
you ready to go to college?
हो? Okay. You are translating everything well. That's good. Clapping for it. So